I've taken the mirror off the car because it's cold and wet outside. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove the glass. Now I've already done this to make things easier. It's very difficult to film, but essentially what you do is you have the mirror glass pointing all the way inwards so that you have a bit of a gap, and so that you can stick a screwdriver in. And the idea is that you pull this metal band a little bit so that it can go over these notches, and which will allow you to essentially just loosen it. And the reason we need to do this is we need to get to the 4 screws which are holding the back of this mirror on. So you unplug this connector here, and then there's the 2 wires that you remove. Remember, the black one goes to the bottom. So these 4 clips are what hold this back plate on. And this is a little bit of a nightmare to get off, but there we go. So this is what we're left with, and this is the black box that we need to access. Here we go. This little yellow thing here that's poking out is the fuse that we need to replace, and that is what I have here. So, but we need to get to it first, and as you can see, there is resin and a lot of protection around this because it was never meant to be opened. It's a sealed unit, so I need to find a way to get in. So, as you can probably see here, if I can zoom in a bit, I have soldered on a new fuse here. It's not my best work, I have to say, but at least it will be easily accessible in the future if this fuse blows and I have to replace it. So I'm going to stick some insulating tape around this to give it some protection, and then I'm going to put the mirror back together. Alright, so now put the back on, just this. And then the mirror glass. So that's all back together now. And now I need to get the mirror glass back onto these 4 connectors here. Okay. And then we have a complete mirror again. So let's go and see if this works. Something amazing. Where is it? Here. Fold it in. Fold it out. And the same for this one as well. Oh. Fold it in. Fold it out. So that's both mirrors working absolutely fine as they should. I'm really happy with that.